There's magic in the crisp, cool autumn air. The busy summer days are fading and are replaced with a slower paced, cozy fall season. Just like Mother Earth is putting everything to rest till next spring, I too feel a pull to slow down. With the leaves turning golden, the nights creeping in, and fires being lit, fall is the perfect time to settle into a cozy home. Replacing the pastel summer flowers with yellow, red, and orange mums is the first action I take to embrace this changing season. The vibrant mums are a welcoming sight at my front door. The best thing about decorating for fall is going to the pumpkin patch. Roaming through the large pumpkin patch and loading my wagon with various pumpkins always brings out the little kid in me, playful and curious. I keep my fall decor simple, highlighting the magnificent colors of autumn. During my walks in the mountains, I have collected some amazing branches. I really like bringing the outside nature indoors. Adding vibrant colors of orange and reds throughout my house really makes it feel like fall. The spiced candle with its crackling wooden wick fills my home with warmth. Baking is one of my favorite pastimes, especially when I use freshly picked fall apples. Apple tart is a fall tradition at our house. It's simple to make, using only a few ingredients. I'll put the downloadable PDF of the recipe in the description below if you want to make this delicious dessert this fall. Because it has several apples and very little sugar, it is a healthier dessert than most. This rustic apple tart doesn't need a pie tin. After putting the sliced apples in the middle of the pie crust, I simply fold over the dough around the edges. The smell of the apples and cinnamon is a classic fall scent that reaches all corners of my home. Time to transition out of summer clothes and create my fall capsule wardrobe. I begin by boxing up summer items to move them out of the way, making room for the clothes that I will be wearing during the cold season. I take this opportunity to donate any clothes that I no longer wear. Capsule wardrobes simplify my day. I only keep the clothes I love. This way, I know that I will wear every item in my wardrobe. Using a neutral color scheme that complements one another, I create endless outfit options. By keeping clothing items in solid colors allows me to mix and match, making choosing my outfits effortless and quick. Everything in my capsule wardrobe can be worn with 3 or more outfits. The cold weather makes layering necessary, but also adds interest to my outfits. I use various scarves, mittens, sweaters, and hats, allowing each outfit to have several different looks. Thanks for watching today and sharing how I decorate fall with me. Have a beautiful day.